These are people like bird dogs. I call them scouts. You can call them bird dogs, whatever. Who go out and find leads for you, and then you pay them per lead. So what you do is you advertise on Craigslist that you're looking for scouts to go out and find deals for you. Now, when I started doing this, I paid them on success. So I say, bring me the leads, and when I buy a property, I'll give you $1,000. That lasted 2 weeks, and they quit. So I said, you know what? The odds are, if they bring me 300 leads, I'm going to find a deal, right? So I'm just going to pay them per lead. And that's what I started doing. It was much more effective. So pay per lead. Don't pay upon success. It just doesn't, they're not going to work for you for long enough to make it worth your while. Make an information sheet for them of exactly what information you want. Email it to them. They go out and find the deal, take a picture of the house, look up who the owner is, maybe knock on the door if the property's occupied. If it's not, they could skip trace the owner, get all the detailed information about the owner, and you tell them what you're looking for. You're looking for people who might be in a divorce, in a foreclosure, a vacant property, a landlord. You give them the criteria, they find you leads, you pay them per lead. Maybe you give them a bonus upon close. Maybe you give them a bonus upon close. So if you do close, maybe a couple of $100, but otherwise you're paying them per lead. You had a question, sir?
What do you normally pay them per lead?
Well, what I pay them per lead depends upon how much information I get. So if I just get a property address, it's not worth more than $5. If property address and the name of the owner, $10. If you've talked to the owner and you've got a picture of the house and you've got the owner's name and phone number, $20, $25. So it depends on how much information they get. And, of course, check up on them. You want to make sure that they're actually not giving you their uncle's house, you know. Because I had a guy who gave me like 150 leads, and he got really mad because I wouldn't pay him because I knew they were garbage. He was just pulling the same properties over and over. I started to check, saying, that property looks familiar. I saw that property on your last list. So make sure you check up on what they're doing.